about this in my Zoom, in my workshop coming up Thursday. But look at this. You see how much better this home looks now? There was no way, the way it looked, that I was going to be able to rent it out like that. That's why I fixed everything up front. That's the key right there. I just gave you some sauce. I fixed everything up front so as a landlord, I don't have to worry about it later. All right, look at this. Is my live dragging? Can y'all see it, or is it disconnected? I'm just curious because it seems like it's dragging. Let me know. Give me a thumbs up if everything is good with my live so far. I'm just curious. Let me know. Put it in the chats. Give me a thumbs up if everything is good. No, it's fine. Okay, I just want to make sure. Yeah, I knew something was wrong with it. It looks weird on this end. You know how it is. That's why I want y'all to come to my workshop, because I can get you off of this and give you more gaming information. Yeah, I knew it was lagging. Okay. Anyway, you can see I got the floors replaced. I got some interior paint done. I put a new